Slide away, give it all you got. Oh, beautiful version. I've got a Capo 1-5 to match the key, E minor 7, D sus 4, C add 9. Here he goes again. Noel, he does it all the time. Slide away, give it all you got. Man today fell in from the top. Keep going, dreaming you and all the things you say. And again, wonder where you are now. Then we're going to go to sliding, baby, and that's repeating D sus 4, C add 9. Sliding, baby, together we'll fly. I tried paying, but I stay on the D sus 4 into me. Now that you're mine, I kind of just gently go into D then, just to settle it, and then hit the chorus with a G to D to C add 9. To E minor 7, to D sus 4, okay, and then to A7 to C add 9. Let's put that together. Now that you're mine, we'll find a way, chasing the sun. Let me be the one that shines with you. And in the morning, we don't know what to do. Two of a kind, we'll find a way to do what we've done. Let me be the one that shines with you. We can slide away, slide away. Slide away, away. Cheeky little B7. So quick recap: E minor 7, D sus 4, C add 9, and just keep that rhythm nice and gentle. Works so well on the acoustic guitar. Please as well, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'd be well grateful. What other Noel acoustic banger do you want me to upload here on my YouTube? Please comment below.